Tim Finnegan lived in Walking Street, a gentleman Irish mighty odd. He had a brogue both rich and sweet, and to rise in the world he carried a hod. But Tim had a bit of a tibbler's way. Well, I love the liquor he was born, and to send him on his way each day, he'd a drop of the cradle every morn. Whack pull it down when you dance to your partner, around the floor with your trotters shake. Isn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Now one morning Tim was rather full. His head felt heavy, which made him shake. He fell off the ladder and he broke his skull. Then they carried him home, his corpse to wake. Oh, they wrapped him up in a nice clean sheet. They laid him out upon the bed, with a bottle of whiskey at his feet and a bottle of porter at his head. Whack pull it down when you dance to your partner, around the floor with your trotters shake. Isn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. And his friends assembled at the wake, and Mrs. Finnegan called for lunch. Well, first she brought them tea and cake, then pipes, tobacco and brandy punch. Then the widow Malone began to cry. Such a lovely corpse did you ever see? Must it him aboard and why did you die? Well, you howl your cobs as Molly McGee. Whack pull it down when you dance to your partner, around the floor with your trotters shake. Isn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Oh, well, Mary Murphy took up the job. Biddy, she you're wrong, I'm sure. Well, Biddy fetched her a belt and a gob, and left her sprawling on the floor. A civil war did then engage. 'Twas woman to woman and man to man. Shillelagh law was all the rage, and a row and a ruction it soon began. Whack pull it down when you dance to your partner, around the floor with your trotters shake. Isn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Oh, Tim Maloney ducked his head when a bottle of whiskey flew at him. He ducked and landing on the bed, the whiskey scatters over Tim. Me daddy revives and see how he rises. Tim Finnegan rising in the bed, saying, twiddle your whiskey around like blazes. Be the toilet and Jesus, do you think I'm dead? Whack pull it down, you dance to your partner, around the floor with your trotters shake. Isn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. How would you know one game ball?
Ils quittent un à un le pays pour s'en aller gagner leur vie, loin de la terre où ils sont nés. Depuis longtemps, ils en rêvaient de la ville et de ses secrets, du formica et du ciné. Les vieux, ça n'était pas original quand ils s'essuyaient machinal d'un revers de manche les lèvres. Mais ils savaient tous à propos tuer la caille ou le perdreau et manger la tome de chèvre. Pourtant, que la montagne est belle, comment peut-on s'imaginer en voyant un vol d'hirondelles que l'automne vient d'arriver? Avec leurs mains dessus leur tête, ils avaient monté des murettes jusqu'au sommet de la colline. Qu'importe les jours, les années, ils avaient tous l'âme bien née, noueuse comme un pied de vigne. Les vignes, elles courent dans la forêt, le vin ne sera plus tiré, c'était une horrible piquette. Mais il faisait des centenaires à ne plus que savoir en faire s'il ne vous tournait pas la tête. Pourtant, que la montagne est belle, comment peut-on s'imaginer en voyant un vol d'hirondelles que l'automne vient d'arriver? De chèvres et puis quelques moutons, une année bonne et l'autre non, et sans vacances et sans sortie. Les filles veulent aller au bal, il n'y a rien de plus normal que de vouloir vivre sa vie. Leur vie, ils seront flics ou fonctionnaires, de quoi attendre sans s'en faire que l'heure de la retraite sonne. Il faut savoir ce que l'on aime et rentrer dans son HLM, manger du poulet aux hormones. Pourtant, que la montagne est belle, comment peut-on s'imaginer, en voyant un vol d'hirondelles, que l'automne vient d'arriver?